Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well. So today I thought we would look at some more Charlotte Tilbury makeup. I got another order 3. I was so thrilled with my first package. I just had to try some more different products. I think I'm properly addicted now to Charlotte Tilbury, and I also have some skincare on its way too. So I spent a small fortune, but I have to say that so far I'm quite happy with Charlotte Tilbury. Maybe worth the money, I don't know. So before we do get into the video, I would very much like, if you don't mind, subscribing to my channel. I am trying to reach my 2,000 subscriber goal, and I really need your help and support in achieving this. So I very much appreciate if you wouldn't mind subscribing. And also, if you've not entered the Jeffree Star Bloodlust Mirror giveaway, I'll leave the photo here of what it is, and I'll leave the link down below. So just go hit that link, and after you've watched this video, of course, and enter. The rules are very simple. So I've already put a little bit of foundation on my face. I used the ItCC, trying this out. I think it's okay. It's very shiny when I put it on, so I did actually just matte it down a little bit using the Beauty Pie. This is the one powder Wonder, and I really like this. It's translucent, it's clear, but the formula is actually non-existent. So it's nice. It doesn't end up cakey and nasty on your face. So that's what I've got on my face at the moment. I won't go through all the products that I've got now. I will show you as I am unboxing. So the first thing we're going to try out is the palette. This palette is called the Stoned Rose Beauty Instant Look in a Palette, 5-minute face, on the go, look express in 5 minutes. Not sure I'm going to get it done in 5 minutes. So it's advertised like this, so I was pretty disappointed when I did have a look to make sure there was no damage to this palette. But the palette is actually just that, so I was expecting that, but I got this. And I believe this was £49.99. And inside, as you can see, you get 3 shadows, 1, 2, and 3. You get a bronzer, you get the highlight, and you get the blush. So everything in a palette. So let's try applying some of this on my face. So I'm going to try with colour 1. This is the transition colour. There's very little kickback on it. There's some, but not much. And I will be applying this today on my Jaclyn Hill brushes that I haven't actually used yet. So I'm just going to pop some of that all over the lid. And onto the brow bone. Pop a little bit more on. So this has got a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's going on nice. The brushes are beautiful. Okay, so that's gone on pretty nice. Gorgeous. And then I'm going to go in with number 2, which is this one. I'm going to whack that. Okay, it's looking good. So I just want to go a little bit higher because I do suffer with hooded eyes. So when I open my eye, half my makeup kind of disappears. So I'm actually going to take this a little bit higher. So when I open my eye, I can still see makeup. As long as all the blushes, the highlight and the bronze, etc. look nice, I won't say this is bad for the money. Okay, so number 3, I'm just going to go literally a tiny bit in the outer corner. It's nice. Same. I'm so sorry if I'm not looking at you, by the way, as well. These have blended out really good. I'm going to take another clean brush though, just to fluff it out a little bit more and get rid of any harsh lines. And then I'm going to go underneath the eye with the darkest brown here. I'm just going to take that underneath the eye. Nothing too crazy. Good. Right, so let's go in and curl the lashes. Give them a little bit of oomph, a little bit of help. It's free inside. So that's a little brush. Nice. I will do a close-up, guys, don't worry, when I'm finished. That actually applies really nice. I'm going to apply some just on the bottom lashes as well. Not that I've got many, but... Okay, so I have blobbed a little bit. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but I will wipe that off once it's dried in with a cotton bud. Okay, so that's the eyes knit down done. Okay, I'm quite impressed with the look. I'm just going to swatch the actual palette so you can get a close-up of what the colour shades look like. It's them. There you go. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Right, next we are going to, what are we going to do? Should we put a bit of bronze on? Now I'm rubbish at bronze, so be kind. I'm going to use this big brush just to kind of blend that in a little bit. Okay, and then let's go in with a little bit of highlight. I'm going to use this brush. Oh, this is the bronze, by the way, anyone that's interested. And then we'll go in with a bit of highlight. Okay. Oh, I like that. That does give a nice sheen. That's all right. That's not too shabby at all. Yeah, I like that. Right, let's hit on some. So we've got two blushes to choose from. We've got quite a light one. That's them two. Nice. Okay. Okay, next in my little box of tricks, I got a couple of freebies. I got some of the Charlotte Tilbury cream. This is the magic cream. You got this free in your box. And I also got a, what's this? This is a clay mask. I got that for free. I think you had to spend like £75 or something. I also got one of her. This is another sample. This is the new magic serum. I'm dying to try it. Little box, I got a lip liner. This is the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat, and I got it in the colour Intense. So it's quite a bold, dark colour. And that's the colour there. Right, okay, so with that applied, that is definitely more intense than I actually thought from looking at the website. But it goes on beautifully, it goes on very softly. It's a nice creamy formula, so there's no like dragging or any hard issues. Okay, and then I bought the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Again, this is in Intense. This is the bullet, I'm sure you've seen it a million times. And that is the colour, which is a beautiful colour that does match very well with the lip liner. So let's give this a go. I actually don't like that very much. That is a little bit too intense for me. I'm just going to actually blot it down a little bit. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. So while I was away, I cleared off the blob of mascara. I put some gel through the old eyebrows. Now I did try out, obviously as you saw, the new products that I brought to Intense Pillow Talk. This is the lipstick close-up. And these are the colour swatches. So you've got your lip liner here and this is the lipstick here. Once I put it on and I blotted it down, I absolutely do not like this. This is not for me at all. Maybe the lip liner, but definitely not the lipstick. I'll need to see if there's different ways that I can try and use it. I don't think I can return it now because I've actually tried it. I'll have to have a look into that because I won't probably use it. So I went for the original Pillow Talk colours instead. Hi guys, for some unknown reason I ended up losing the last part of my footage. So I just wanted to recap that I really enjoyed using the Charlotte Tilbury makeup products. I think the makeup went on really well. It's very pretty looking. I would say this isn't kind of an everyday look. I didn't like the lipstick, didn't like the colour, but that's my fault more than anything. Although on the website it does represent, I'd say, a completely different colour, but you know, by the by. But I'll just have to have a play with it and see what I can do with it. But yeah, that's way too intense. I mean, it's near black. So I ended up going with the Pillow Talk Original in the pink, which I think looks probably way better with this look anyway. So yeah, I'd consider this an everyday look. I really liked it. I feel like the products went on really well. They blended perfectly. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, don't forget, enter the Jeffree Star mirror giveaway. I'll leave a picture there for you to have a look at. The link will be down below, as I've said before. Whatever you're doing, try and have a really good day. Take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.